it's the time that I'm live here because this was so much important and very much and this was very much necessary for me that I have to come in live today because so many times I thought that I can't come live because of some personal issues and some personal complications, but now it's the time that I'm live here because of some main intentions and also because I decided that for the last 1 year, actually not just one year, last 14 months and 11 days, I realized so many other thoughts and so many other type of experience because of someone outsider person who was always trying to making my life truly like a hell and for the lots of tragedy and so many complications. So that's the main purpose that I thought that I have to come in live today because that was so much important for me as usual, as expected. And today I thought that actually few days ago I realized some important thoughts there because of on that time I'm getting very much furious on him, and on that time I will call him and I'm telling him so many ultra words. He also crossed his line, but actually he will start trolling me ultra words and so many other complicated matters. So on that time I decided that I have to finish him. I have to give him curse right now, that the wicked person who was truly and he's not just a wicked person. Because I thought that he was truly a greedy and a selfish guy and a selfish person and a detestable and a blemish type of person in this whole universe. And I realized that I thought so many people can't understand my Hindi. So many people can't. Maybe they can't understand my English language. So now it's the time that I have to transform myself. I have to tell each and everyone in Hindi language because that was so much important for me. क्योंकि समझना भी important होता है सबके लिए, और actually ये इसलिए भी important है क्योंकि कभी सोचा नहीं था कि एक outsider person जो गिफ्ट्स भेज रहा है वो इतना ज़्यादा हार्मफुल, इतना ज़्यादा ब्लेमिश, इतना ज़्यादा डिटेस्टेबल टाइप का पर्सन हो सकता है. जो इंसान 58,000 की मंथली अर्निंग करने के बावजूद भी अपनी ज़रूरतों के लिए, अपने खर्चे के लिए, अपने किसी प्रियजन के चोट पहुंचने पर अजनबियों से उसका खर्चा मांगने के लिए दूसरों पर आश्रित हो, वो तो ज़िंदगी भर ही दूसरों के ऊपर ही आश्रित रहेगा हर छोटी मोटी रिक्वायरमेंट्स के लिए. जो अपने ग्रीड और सेल्फिशनेस के लिए अपनी बेटर हाफ के पैरों का सिल्वर एंकलेट्स 2 टाइम्स सोल्ड आउट कर दे, न्यूट्रियल चेन को 2 बार सोल्ड आउट कर डाले, तो सोचो वो कितने निकृष्ट स्तर पर गिर सकता है. यहाँ नाम लेकर के मैं जिक्र तो नहीं करूँगा, बट एक्चुअली समझने वाले समझ ही जाते हैं. समझने वालों को इशारा ही काफ़ी होता है. एक बार मैंने भी कहा हुआ था ऐसा कि कई बादल ऐसे होते हैं जो बिना गरजे ही बरस जाते हैं. तो यहाँ बिना गरजे बरसने का टाइम आ चुका था, तो इसलिए मुझे आज ये स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेना पड़ गया है. आगे और क्या बोलूँ, बट एक्चुअली नाउ आई हैव टू टोल्ड ओनली वन थिंग अबाउट हिम, that he is not a human being. He's truly an iron chain and a wicked and a gluton and a disgusting type of person in this whole universe. And I think that he has to die now immediately as soon as possible. Because each and every one person told to me, and I always told one sentence in the English language, that a beggar was always putting his eye on the offering but not on the idols of gods and goddesses. And the truth is that in the Hindi language, we have to told, actually I have to told the sentence in the Hindi language that भिखारी की दृष्टि सिर्फ प्रसाद में ही टिकी रहती है, भगवान की प्रतिमाओं पर नहीं. और जो इंसान सिर्फ दूसरों से पाने, हड़पने और अपना स्वार्थ सिद्ध करने की अभिलाषा हमेशा रखता है, वो आत्मा से दरिद्र होता है. And now the work was going to be done successfully. And हालांकि बीते हुए साल का अंत हो रहा है और हर अंत एक नए आरंभ का सृजक होता है, इसलिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट भी हो गया है कि अब मैं उसकी फिनिशिंग कर डालूं. एक बार मैंने कहा भी था, कुछ बादल ऐसे होते हैं जो बिना गरजे ही बरस जाते हैं, तो बिना गरजे बरसने का टाइम आ गया है. मैंने ये भी कहा हुआ था कि लोग मरने के बाद जलते हैं, पर कुकृत्य करने वाले जीते जी जलकर मरते हैं. अंत का आरंभ तो मैंने कल रात को ही कर दिया था, लेकिन आज फाइनली फुल स्टॉप कर दिया है. अब एक्स्ट्रा यही बोलूँगा कि एक रास्ते का गिरा हुआ पत्थर और कूड़ा करकट सिर्फ उपेक्षा और अवॉइडेंस के ही योग्य होते हैं, क्योंकि रास्ते के पत्थर को, कूड़े करकट को कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देता, कोई अपने घर में प्रेफरेंस या जगह नहीं देता, और मेरे नज़र में इससे ज़्यादा उसकी और कोई अहमियत नहीं है, क्योंकि वो रहे तो अच्छा है, ना रहे तो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा है, बिकॉज ही वॉज ट्रूली अ ब्लेमिश एंड अ डिटेस्टेबल टाइप ऑफ पर्सन. ही इज ट्रूली a glued on and a selfish person, and I think that he has to die now immediately as soon as possible, because he truly deserved this punishment, as usual, as expected. And now the final turn, the full and final turn, when and now it's the time that I have to return back from my home right now, as usual, as expected, because the time and the work was completely successfully completed, and the target was also completed. So now I have to return back to my home, because I'm feeling so much excited because of the new year, and also because of this upcoming Sunday, because it was the birthday of someone very much special person. She belongs to my family. So that's the main reason that I decided that I have to take the full stop step right now. The step was going to be completed right now, and I have to return back to my home. So bye each and everyone, and please enjoy this the finishing dates of the new year, and I have to also be started my other works and my other activities. Goodbye. Sorry, normal bye to all of you. Take care. Enjoy. Bye.